All right, Mary, thank you. Colorado should start to see our first doses of the COVID vaccine by early next week. Today, though, we learned there could be steep consequences for providers who fail to administer it in a timely manner. KRDO News Channel 13's Jen Moynihan joins us live in Colorado Springs to explain.
Heather, Colorado anticipates thousands of doses of both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines before January, but Governor Polis says that the locations receiving the vaccines will have a deadline to administer them or else risk losing access.
There's been a leveling out. It hasn't gotten worse but it hasn't gotten much better.
Governor Polis said today vaccine distribution comes at a pivotal moment for Colorado, with 4,678 new cases and 1,559 hospitalizations reported today.
The first batch that we are getting will have 46,800 of the Pfizer doses,
followed by 95,600 doses from Moderna soon after. But Polis says locations receiving the vaccines will have a deadline to administer them.
All the entities who are receiving it have to administer it within 72 hours or will take it back and use it for someone else.
Parkview Medical, Penrose St. Francis, and UC Health Memorial Central have each been allocated between 1,000 to 3,900 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, depending on location. Those hospitals, along with UC Health Memorial North and the Colorado Mental Health Institute at Pueblo, anticipate doses of the Moderna vaccine to follow shortly after. El Paso, Pueblo, Teller, and Fremont County health departments have also been allocated doses.
Our ability to quickly vaccinize folks and report those doses administered is going to be very important in reaching more immunity levels, saving lives, returning to normal.
Polis says he's hopeful the state will successfully be able to get through phase 1 of vaccine distribution before spring.
I think when you get that vaccine, that means you're, 50 yards from the end, you can see it.
But he says it's important to keep in mind that people designated to receive doses in phase 1 of the rollout plan don't have immunity right away.
What we don't want to do is that's when you do a big dance and use all your energy and then collapse and don't make it to the finish line.
In the meantime, another preventative measure Polis says we can all utilize is simply wearing a face mask in addition to social distancing and only socializing with folks within our own households. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Jen Moynihan, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, Jen, thanks.